Hello guys, welcome to Delara Tech. This time I will show you how to disable Windows Defender and Firewall in 4 ways. In this video, we're going to show you the easiest and most effective way to turn off Windows Defender and Firewall in Windows. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Click Start, then type Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Find Virus and Threat Protection settings. Then click Manage Settings. Look at Real-Time Protection, make it off. Now Real-Time Protection is off. Click Start, then type Windows Security. Click Firewall and Network Protection. There is 3 firewall profile. You should disable them. First click Domain, Network, then on Microsoft Defender Firewall click Turn Off, and then click Back. Click Private Network, then click Turn Off, and then you go back. Click Public Network, then click Turn Off. That's all. Now your firewall protection is off. Click Start, type Reget it. On Windows Defender, click New, then click Word. Then type Disable Win Defender. Click Disable Win Defender, then click Modify. Change value to 1, then click OK. Click Start, type Reget it.